Today we have my friend Jonathan Lipnicki. Say hi, Jonathan.
Hi.
To all of the
Hi, everybody. Thanks for having me.
So today we're turning this handsome gentleman into a beautiful Amazonian woman. Let's talk about how you feel.
How do I feel? You know what? I've seen your work that you've done on yourself, and I'm impressed.
Okay.
You're such a.
Stop.
I could never do that myself, so I'm extremely interested and impressed by it. And then, you know, when you approached me with the idea, I was like, yeah, that sounds really fun.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right, well, first step is shaving, and let's get rid of this facial hair. Okay. First, we're going to put some of this on your face.
What is a shine killer? Does it kill shine? It's like if I was schwitzy, like it would.
Schwitzy. Are you Jewish?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, you're good with that. Right at all.
Did I kill the shine?
Do you like cults? We'll worship Jonathan Lipnicki. We're going to use your money to build a temple dedicated to the Jonathan Lipnicki movie, The Little Vampire.
I have a confession. I've never seen a little vampire.
Me neither, so. I'm joking.
I know you because I'm old from Jerry Maguire, but I never
I haven't seen that one either.
The human head weighs 8 pounds.
Look at this lovely hair you have.
You know, it's frizzy.
Have you ever had glue in your eyebrows?
I've never had glue in my eyebrows. It's the first.
All right, one brow down.
3 to go.
There you go. Oh, you have a dog?
Yeah, little Karen Terrier. He's his name's Denny Lipnicki. You can follow him on Instagram at Denny Lipnicki.
How do you feel? You feel gorgeous?
I feel gorgeous.
I'm just here to look pretty. That's it.
That's the look. It's spelled Lewk.
Yeah, you do some hyper masculine.
Yeah, Brazilian
sport.
Jiu-Jitsu and Muay Thai.
Oh wow,
Which
no
if
way.
you put them together, it's mixed martial arts.
Do you know any gay lingo?
So what was that? To bring the house down? Boots mama?
Yeah.
What is boots mama?
When something's like super impressive.
So like, would boots mama be a compliment? Like,
Well-
like you're killing it? Do I get a graphic, Mr. Editor? The more you know.
What was your introduction to drag?
That's a good question. Hamburger Marys, maybe?
Like drag bingo or something?
Yeah. You know, I saw you sing in drag, which was great. He has a great voice.
Wow.
Wow, I look like a Mugatu.
I'm sorry, did my needle get in the way of your fat ass?
Hansel is so hot right now.
Hansel, so hot right now.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down with it. Ooh. Sisters, not twins.
Oh, sisters, not twins. Okay, I get it now.
Bitch!
Man,
Do you know Spice Girls?
yes, I do. I actually went to the premiere of Spice World.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Yeah.
Get out.
Were you a Britney fan? Backstreet Boys are in sync.
In sync.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, bitch. Okay. And you can take a look at your new eyebrows.
Hey, now I'm Ronald McDonald.
You feel like Ronald McDonald. It's better than nothing.
Can we do better? Do better.
Sorry.
Do better.
Say, I'm ready to look pretty.
I'm ready to look pretty.
Yeah, yeah.
Stretch that back
it
out.
Goes away.
All I feel is beauty coming out of me.
Amen. We are not mad. We are not mad. Now I'm gonna let you cut your own crease. You know what that is, right?
No. Don't make me do anything
Don't make me
with
do
fine
it.
motor skills involved.
And you identify as heterosexual.
I do.
And do your parents know you're straight?
Yes,
And they're cool with that?
yeah, they're cool with it. I grew up in a very supportive house. It was definitely a safe place. If whatever my sexuality was going to be, they would have been very supportive. But, you know, a big props to my parents, great people. Wow. Ronald McDonald to sexy,
Wow.
real quick.
Yeah, bitch.
Wow. Felt like I was touchy.
Put some glitter on it.
Middle school was really rough for me. So I just hated being like the butt of jokes.
I used to get made fun of in high school too.
You know, I
Like,
just always looked at it like, you know what, I'm gonna be doing what I love as soon as I just get out of this fucking place.
Work.
Work. Work a clock.
It's work o'clock, honey.
Am I pale or do others pale in comparison? Wow, who is she?
She's coming alive.
This way.
She's on the 405, she'll be here. So I got a very basic question for you. How do you tuck the boys?
Before you hit puberty, your balls are actually in your body.
That cavity that they were living in before they dropped still exists. So you just
What about the stem?
Your dick,
Yeah. Is it tape or like what do you tape?
tape on your taint.
Wow. And does that ever end up miserable?
Oh yeah.
So how often are you hit on by gay guys?
I don't want to answer that without sounding weird or egotistical, but like a fair amount, you know?
No. Have you ever had a gay experience?
I have not.
Have you ever
You know-
kissed a boy?
A guy kissed me at a club
Gay
when I
club,
was
straight
21.
club?
Straight club, but he came up and he said something to me like, it's my birthday. And I'm like, great, happy birthday. And he just grabbed my head and he
Yeah.
just gave me a big old smooch. You know, I looked him in the eyes and said, I didn't feel anything. No. Here's the thing is like I always say, I'm very open-minded. If there was anything for me, if I identified anything different than heterosexual, I'd be very proud of it.
Are you single?
I am single. I went through a breakup somewhat recently. You know, it sucks. Even if like two people are, you know, cool with each other and all that, it's still just heartbreaking. It was a huge lesson and it made me a better man. And I think that the stuff I've been able to take from it, I'm working on improving, you know. Now I just got sad.
All right, let's set your face.
Set it and forget it.
You are coming together quite nicely.
Am I feeling things?
This cheek is here to play today. Oh, yum, that looks good.
It's interesting because I've even just being an actor, I've had
Oh,
asked
yeah.
a lot of friends were like, what is it like? Did you wear makeup? Like, what is it like? What like?
I
you,
know.
like, is that weird? And I'm like, no, it just. I never really think of it.
Well,
what
that's-
does it take from my masculinity to go try something I haven't tried before? Dude, it's amazing I have a nasty pimple. I don't want that shit out there. And some of the most alpha male people in the technical definition of the term of being like, I train with a lot of people who are mixed martial artists. But guess what? Like, they're super accepting people and very chill and very calm, and none of them are going out and trying to like start things with people. Like, dude, like they all families are sensitive about their kids, you know, they're very open-minded place, which I wish people knew more about. Some of the most open-minded discussions I've had are at the mixed martial arts gym.
There she is, darling. You look amazing. Little freckles.
Feels a little tickly.
You have a long glitter on your face.
Not on purpose. Having my moments here, my freckle moments, my red moments. It's really my moment.
It's gonna glide right on. It's gonna be very easy. Done.
Dude.
We're not gonna cry. We're not gonna ruin the makeup.
Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Kind of look like my mom. My mom's a good looking lady, okay? Wow.
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 Wow. We're gonna put these bottom lashes on you. That's fine. I like that one.
Yeah. Hey.
How does this one make you
This
feel?
one, for me, I feel like a lion. Ha! Ah. I'm feeling a little more outgoing and flamboyant with
In this way?
Yeah.
Who is this woman?
This is Tammy.
Who's Tammy?
She got ousted by the PTA for showing up drunk.
Okay. See all of these backstories,
Yeah.
these characters that
Rich
are coming
and backstory.
alive. What'd you say?
Rich and backstory.
Oh, that's a funny drag king name too, Richard Backstory.
Hi, I'm Richard Backstory. Hi, I am Vince Neil from the band Motley Crue. Have you seen my pink Corvette? Hi. Hi. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little obsessed with you right now.
Okay, how do you feel on this one?
Fantastic. I don't care.
All right, here she is.
Hey.
We call her the little GLAMpire.
That's actually pretty funny. Oh yeah. Who's that?
Who is that?
Hi. Hi.
Well, that could be your character. You could be that girl who like,
Hi.
she's like the vampire with braces.
Hey, wow, man. I did not look bad. I got my 2 thumbs up.
Give him a big old mug, show
And,
all the angles, and then we'll take the teeth out and you can... How was this experience for you, my darling?
Transformative.
And how do you feel right now? What is this bringing out of you?
It's bringing out a fierceness like never before. You know, it's crazy to look at yourself and not recognize yourself. It's
Isn't that fun?
transformative. And then like every wig, I'm like, this is a new personality.
Which was your favorite one so far?
I think this is the most attractive looking personally. Then Tammy is the least attractive, but it's the funniest.
How does it feel to like embrace your femininity?
You know what? I'm always up to try new things. I think we learn the most from, you know, trying things that are, you know, outside our whatever comfort zone. Not that I was like super uncomfortable coming into it, but it's something that I haven't done before. And I think that's where you truly learn the most about yourself. And
Amen. Would you
know?
do it again?
Yeah. Thank you for having me. I'm really impressed with what you do and the patience you put into it. And I just, wow, man, I don't think I could do what you do.
So much.
I'm impressed. You know what? If someone is into something, is into cosplay, is into drag, is into any sort of art, like, the cool thing is being into something.
Round of applause, studio audience. Round of applause. Thank you. If you want to see more of Jonathan, you can follow him on Instagram at
Jonathan Lipnicki.
And if you want to see more of me, you can follow me at Lyle C. Maxton on Instagram as well. All right, well, thanks
Until
for
next
watching.
time.
We'll see ya.
Ha!